quickest, easiest, dirtiest way to get into making having your own fishing tackle shop is get you some lead and start pouring some lead if it's legal in your state. Not everywhere is legal to pour lead and have your own to sell lead fishing tackle. You gotta check it out yourself. Let me show you what I got. We got our lead. It's cold and wet today. Won't be pouring lead. We've got, molds, and we can make fishing tackle right here. We can just sit here one Saturday afternoon and just make tons of fishing tackle. I concentrate mostly on sinkers and jigs, various kinds of jigs. Cannonball sinkers today. 4, 5, 6 ounces. 4 ounces. To cube it up from that, we've got a treble hook. We're going to put some basic, gonna fish European night crawlers today. That's all we're gonna worry about today. We're not gonna worry about cut bait. When in doubt, use live bait, man. I'm telling you, people don't realize. Just use live bait. When in doubt, just let it straight down to the bottom. Oh, come on, really? It'll plummet down pretty quick, man. Why? Because it's easy to get to, and it's easy to get lead. The only problem with lead is that it's toxic to the human body. So you need to do it outside or well-ventilated place, and make sure you get you some lava soap so that you can wash your hands. Anytime you go back in the house, wash your hands before you drink water or eat anything. Wash your hands with lava soap. 30 seconds of scrubbing. Get all that, any kind of lead off. Don't breathe those lead fumes. It's toxic to the human body. But there's not a better, more malleable, heavier, denser metal to use than lead. You can make all kinds. Every form of fishing can somehow make use of lead. Right? So that's the easiest way. Get you some molds, get you some lead, get you a melter, and start pouring lead.